What if you could create magical Ghibli style art using just Canva? No drawing skills, no fancy tools, just your laptop or your phone and a little imagination. Stick around because I'm about to show you how you can bring your favorite anime vibes to life. I'm still Juliet and you're welcome to my channel. Okay, let's transform this to that. This is my Canva homepage and I'll go ahead and click on the plus sign so that I can be able to create my design. Then I'll go ahead and choose the temp size of the templates that I want. And I will simply choose poster landscape. As it's coming up, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share so that other people can benefit from it. Here I have the size of my design. Tool that we're going to use in Canva here. If you're using your laptop, I think it should be on the upper left side of your laptop or desktop. But because we're using phone, it is below the screen. So you simply pull the toolbar to the end and find apps. Okay, we'll simply click on apps and then I will type animate. This is what we have. I will simply click on this animate image here. Now it's asking me to import a file from my device. So I'll go ahead and choose a file from my phone. This is the picture that I want to choose. And I will go ahead and click on generate. This might take a while, but it will give you a good result. Okay, this is my image converted and I will add the design. Here I will simply adjust it to fit into my design. And we have successfully created our Ghibli art. Here we have it. So I can simply use this and do whatever that I want to do. Thank you for watching.